Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about 6 ways to make money from online courses. My name is Stephanie Obi and I'm the author of the book. The first way to make money from an online course is by selling it all year round. So just think about it. When you create an online course, you'd have recorded your videos, you'd have created workbooks, and you've put this thing all together. You can just keep selling it all year round. People will come to you and say, oh, I found you online, I found your Instagram page, I see that you talk about this topic, I really want to learn about how you do this and that. Do you have something that can explain this to me? And just say, yes, I have an online course. And you direct them to your online course and they'll pay for it. And you're not doing any extra work. This is what I'm saying. This work has already been done beforehand and you're just making money from it, and it's always there. They can pay for it in January, people pay for it in February, people pay for it in March, April, every year, every month you get a monthly income that keeps coming from your online course. And I'm sure you must have heard people tell stories about how they slept and woke up and saw credit alert from their online course. That's because they have an evergreen online course. They have a course that is constantly selling. It's on their website. People get on their website, want to pay for the course, want to learn that topic. They pay, boom, credit alert. It's happening. I created an online course in 2013. To today, I still get credit alerts from that online course. And that's because a course is an asset. It's like building a house. When you build a house, you keep getting, rental income. That's how an online course is. When you create an online course, you can keep making money from it over and over and over and over again. The second way to make money from an online course is by doing a launch. So I'll explain what a launch is. A launch means that you tell people that, look, the only time I'm going to allow anybody to pay for my online course is from this time to this time. After these set dates, I'm not selling it again. And you might say, why? Should be the course is already online. Why are you not selling it again? I'll tell you why this is so powerful. As human beings, we procrastinate. We procrastinate. We want to do something, and that thing will be on our to-do list. Maybe January was there, New Year resolution. We plan to do it. Oh yeah, now January, February, March, April, May. Time will just be going. But when you give people a deadline and you say, this is the time to make a decision. Do you want to do it or you don't want to do it? Do you want to learn this topic or you don't want to learn this topic? What happens to a good number of people is that they decide, am I ready for this thing? And some will say yes, and some will say, oh no, I'm not really serious about it. But people who say yes can be a sizable number, and that's why you have sales during that time. And I'll tell you what a lot of people do. People do 1 or 2 launches, or 3 or 4 launches, 1 to 4 launches in a year, and that's it. Some people launch their online course just once a year and they're fine. Some will launch twice a year, they're fine. Some will launch 3 times, some will launch 4 times. And the other time, they are all around gallivanting. Some people travel all over the world. For me, I like to do projects. So during my free time, I start doing projects. So for example, when my course was not launching, I decided to write a book, and I used that period to write a book, publish it, did all the works. But that's because I had some free time. So if you're somebody who wants some freedom or flexibility in your life, online courses are great for you because you can launch once or twice, or 3 times or 4 times, and then you have some free time to do different things with your life. Number 3, you can make money from online courses by selling your course with a partner. So let's say you created a course on a topic. You can say, there's some other person who has a complementary topic. We can collaborate. Our courses are not the same, but we are speaking to the same people. We have the same target audience. So let's say we're talking to entrepreneurs. The 2 are speaking to entrepreneurs on different topics. So let me go and work with that person. So we can go to our followers, give them this deal, and ask them to pay. People will pay because there's no other place they can get this deal. So if they want to go to person A, they would have paid this, and person B, they'll pay more. When they come to take these 2 for 1 bundle, they get a discount. You see why it works? So that's what you can literally do with your online course. And here's the most interesting part. You can take your online course on a tour. On a tour. So you can partner with one person. When you're done, you go to another person, partner with that person. When you're done, go to another person, partner with that person. By the time you're done going on this tour, do you want to think about how much money you would have made? Do you want to think about it? Kai! Number 4, you can sell your courses with affiliates. Let me explain what an affiliate means. An affiliate is somebody who gets a commission each time you get a sale. So they can just be somebody who doesn't necessarily have an online course, but they have a community who trust them. They have a followership who trust them. You can go and meet this person and say, you know what, just sell my online course to your community. I'll give you a percentage. Now let me tell you the interesting thing about online courses. Because everything is online and you've already finished making the online course, you're not going to do any extra work if somebody is an additional person is taking your online course. So you can give your affiliates a good percentage and allow her to really market this course for you. And if you're having a number of affiliates, what will happen is that they are bringing their community, they're paying for your online course. Another person bringing their own community, paying for your online course. Another person bringing their own community, paying for your online course. So you're not only selling your course to your own community members, you're selling it to your community members, another person's community members, another person's community members, another person's community members. By the time you add all this money together, do you see what I'm saying? Are you there? By the time you add it together, you have a huge sum. You have a huge sum from just one product that is scalable. It's scalable. You don't have to think about the raw materials. You don't think about the labor. You don't have to think about. It's the same product that is scalable, so you can help tons of people. And if you cannot reach these people by yourself, you can partner with other people to reach them for you. Do you see? Number 5, you can sell your online course in a marketplace. When I mean a marketplace, there are some websites that you will see thousands of online courses. My dear, you too can go and put your online course on that platform. And a good example of this is like Udemy. So when you go to Udemy, you see thousands of online courses. Now, Udemy is constantly marketing their platform so that anybody who wants to learn something can come there. So people are going to Udemy, searching for online courses, paying for online courses, taking online courses. So if you look at those online courses on Udemy, you see that thousands of people have taken these online courses. If you go and put your own online course there too, people will find your own online course and they'll start taking your online course too. So you can take advantage of this kind of platforms to host your own online courses too. Number 6, which is the last but not the least. In fact, this one is the cash cow. If you hit this one, why? you'd have hit jackpots. You can sell your online course to corporates. You can sell your online course to corporates. Now let me explain something to you. Some years ago, online courses did not exist, online learning did not exist, and there was a traditional way of training. Now, online education is growing, and many people are switching to online courses because it's more cost effective. If you look at organizations, when they think about how they will cut costs, the first thing they cut out is training. But if it's an online course that teaches that topic, they will happily pay for the online course because it's more cost effective. And they can train a lot more people with this online course without spending, how did I say it, a arm and a leg. I mean, without spending so much money for it. If you have a topic that is relevant to the corporate world, my advice to you is to start getting your online course together. Hey, oh, don't say I did not tell you, because you wake up and say, where was I where all these things were happening? The world is changing. Online course market is growing, and it's estimated to grow to $327 billion by 2025. This is a big pie that you can also eat. But thank you so much for watching this video to the end. In case you're wondering, okay Stephanie, where do I start from? I'm ready to create my online course. I've created a free online course starter pack for you. To get it, go to www.stephanieobi.com, enter your name and email address, and we will send the online course starter pack to you directly. See